What's up, guys? What's poppin'? What's not stopping? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that post notification bell right after you subscribe. Follow me on my Instagram. Link's gonna be down in the description and also on the screen. That dirty fool, yeah, I gonna really make me tell him a bad word. I know him not gonna understand, so I'm gonna really lick him over. Wait till I'm done. So make sure to do that for me. Also, guys, I want to go over to Brian KG channel, guys. Trying to hold my composure. Subscribe, guys. Tell them to hashtag Team Shawna Send, guys. So do that for me. Subscribe and leave a like on them video, guys. Get them through 1,000 subscribers, please. Man, I'm begging you. Do that for me real quick and come back over and finish watch a prank here. We'll make a pull pan Abby. So go on and come back. So the type of prank what I'm gonna do is a crying for no reason prank. So I could just today a ball, like think about something say it and then just ball, and then when she get all like emotional or whatever, if she get emotional to me, I could just like stop and like act like me in a ball, act like nothing to do. So guys, I can do that prank. So if you don't want to see the video, continue watching. Jesus please, don't watch how me look, man, guys. Don't worry yourself. Just watch the video and watch all of my ads them, guys. Please, not because not skip the ads them, guys. I see when I don't skip them, you know. Just watch the ads them, guys. If the ads are for 5 minutes, guys, please just watch out the 5 minutes so I can get some money. Some are come and I want some cash. If the ads are 5 minutes, I want to only watch a couple seconds and skip it, guys. I'm gonna get nothing. I'm gonna watch out the entire 5 minutes or the entire 6 minutes, entire 10 minutes, entire 2 minutes, entire 1 minute. Just watch all of my ads and if you really support and rock with me, I really appreciate, guys. So just do that for me. Thank you. Yeah, guys, so we're gonna start and then just start randomly cry for no reason at all and see our reaction, guys. So smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, and let's get it. Let's go. Hashtag Team Shawna in the cut. Nah, sweep it. Oh, it's good.
Give me broom. Take him. Hold him. And get up. Get up now. Nobody can have no damn sense. Move your foot.
This one is sweet, good, Abby. Right, this one is sweet, good.
I know you did a bad a while ago.
Me did a bad?
Sweet.
Me done sweet, me done sweet.
Sweep it place good.
Me done sweet.
Me say sweep it good.
Me done.
Me done sweep. Ade. Shawna. Sweep it place good. What are you there, Tia?
Oh yeah, raise a voice up for me.
Sweep the place. Mom, sweep the plate before your father come. Come!
Abby, where you looking for? Me so sweep it, please. Stop it, me
Do
girl.
it now!
What did I get?
Can they eat their body that?
Me not cry no more. Me so done.
It's so done do it.
You not hungry?
No! know why.
What is that?
So I'm alone hungry. Eh? Oh, me alone for hungry. You're always hungry.
Don't do that. I'm always hungry. Don't do that.
I can't believe I'm alone hungry today.
It can make so maybe have a feeding drink.
It tastes good? It tastes good? I don't want to feed then. I can't bother. I'm tired. I can't bother.
Sweet the place on top of ball in. Campbell can get something. Don't look at me. So, Shawna.
Hmm?
Your friend
Hi,
at the family?
AJ. Hi.
Your friend at the family?
No, that is who come. Wow, man.
And that you tell you?
Wow.
Get it, get it, get it.
Touch it. Our AJ alone you are playing with.
Just put it in your head. What you expect? You're lucky. Come.
I mean, want to play too.
You're not a baby. You're a big tough turby.
I be play with me too, no, please.
No.
I want to play.
Makar.
I be play, please. I be play.
No.
I want to play. AJ, where I jam my ear for?
So, Shawna. Oi.
Eh?
The title say, can I come here?
No, I thought you come, Abby. Where you ask me, say?
What do you mean, what may I access say?
But
Shawna. You alright?
no, I forgot to today on Monday.
Yeah, you there?
I forgot to today on Monday.
No, you're not yet. You're half buffoon.
I forgot to today on Monday.
So why? So what? Give this to them Monday. What me?
If
Pump
it's
on
still
Monday.
I go school, would I have school for go today?
Oh, no, I see that you do a God.
Would I have PE for Monday?
P. PE?
Yes.
Shawna. PE?
Physical education.
The thing say I had a PE attack.
Yeah, Monday.
Tabana.
My forgot to today on Monday.
You have your school clothes in a room, so go put on your clothes and go on to school to their money. Go on.
Government locked down school.
Four. Alright, Ocean. Oh,
I will stop lick up my shoulder.
and then in there, ball, where you go?
I mean that lick.
Yeah. And she said, when can they ball, though?
You're not sharing water with me.
Jesus, go what up in there. Come back on the tour.
You're not sharing water with me. I mean, we can't bother. We give up. We give up. I mean, please.
See your father there.
My daddy. I mean, please, some more water. Please, I mean, more water.
You can't share.
I can't bother.
And your man say you're hungry and water can't help you.
I mean, you're not giving another water.
Where you ball for? Come to you.
Water. Please, I mean.
See the fridge there? The water there. Me have question for ask you. I want to make a ball on top, ball on top.
No, girl, listen, you cry. Sure, I'm not cry.
So, can we just do it so? Make nice.
You see me cry, me alright. Nothing I do me, alright.
Me say if me see a ball again, you see, me go with you. Stallone, you know, come back to Friday, you know, Abby.
I lie.
Stallone, now come back to Friday and you go over, yeah.
So you wanna there then? You God, I'm not for them again.
No say don't be, I mean no say don't be.
Oh, don't be.
What? Hey, my papi chair. You can't talk to you now, me I cry.
Where you ball for?
You said don't be.
Demon then.
Yeah, mother, me give up.
Alright, God then.
Me give up. Yeah.
What give up on? Sit down beside of you.
Me give up. Mother, move me tired.
Sit down beside of you.
Me can't stand with tired.
Yeah, auntie a ball.
Yeah, truck keep it in the water.
I him spit out it.
Look how you nearly kill me, nephew. I think we can't believe that I nearly choke him.
Stop man now.
I can't believe.
Move your side of me.
I believe me, please leave me.
I'm not there to leave you. Move your side of me, man.
I'm tired for crying no more.
Yes. Laugh at 5.
I'm tired for
Laugh at 5.
Hi. What?
Don't kiss her. Don't kiss her.
Oh God. Hug up, auntie. Can you get a hug?
Me too.
Hush. So what you have so can you get a hug?
No.
Abby, give me a hug. What's that big puke for me?
In your ear.
I lie you tell.
In your ear.
You give auntie a hug. You like me here?
Huh?
Oh.
He's on the end part.
What?
Pick up on the braid.
You make a bit the puke on
You're bipolar. You're bipolar.
No, me don't think so.
Come on, sit down, bipolar.
Kamu sedang bipolar.
Me don't think so.
Come on for me, no man. With a bipolar self.
You know you seriously take a joke too far now? You seriously take a joke too far? A prank? Me not talk to you, your mother me at Post I did kick out my brain, Abby.
I kick out and done.
I post I did kick out my brain. It's just a prank. Randomly crying prank. She don't believe.
You wanna, when you're done when you're bag.
It's not funny. It's not funny. It's just a prank. Sure. How you feel, Abby? You think me never did I go get you back? No, you me not pranking you for a while now. You feel like all is well. How you feel? How you feel?
Leave me alone.
Why she behaving like that?
You're damn bipolar self.
Yeah guys, so that is the end of the video. That is a randomly crying video, guys. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to smash the subscribe button. You like my ear? You like it? Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, follow from Instagram at I am Shawna with 2 S. It's gonna be down in the description, guys. And comment your favorite part of the video. The first person for commenting your favorite part of the video will get pinned. So thanks for watching again.
Me I go prank you back wicked watch.
Girl, you ain't nobody not trip over you, girl. You ain't funny and shit. Oops. Peace out.